express ourselves, to connect with nature. And a lot of landscapes, a lot of beautiful expression of the nature goes through our body and becomes as a sound, and we share it with nature. So it's a full circulation. It helps you to fall into trance when you call your spirit animals. Saka culture is very rich, and the basic belief is shamanism. Shamanism is actually even not a belief or religion. It's a style of life. As a phenomenon, it was born when the first men in this planet Earth realized that everything is interconnected. Human being, nature, and the entire cosmos. So one of the major singing technique in my culture is kalahach, and that connects our three worlds in a body. Lower, which is related to fear, kuttal; middle world, which is taptal, related to love; and upper world, which is gratitude, mahtal. And all of these three worlds remain in balance through singing kalahach. And kalahach, it's like a yodel. There's a fundamental sound as coming from voice, like a chest sound, right? Like, and on top of that, I add this yodel-ish sound that comes actually from diaphragm. So it has some, almost like a beat while you're singing. We believe that in our hair we store wisdom of our ancestors. So I really wanted to connect with the ancestors of that banyan tree, with my ancestors. And I started to sing, and I felt that an intimate connection with nature. Sound can travel without any obstacles. It can hit people's heart. And through singing and playing instruments, we are connected through the heart. And that bypasses mind. And in that state, we can connect through the songs of our hearts. I think it's really powerful and beautiful.